Good morning, students. Last class we discussed about letter writing. What is a letter? It's a written communication. Letter can be divided into the two types. One is the formal letter, other one is the informal letter. We can use the formal letter for professional purpose and business communication. Informal letter can be used for our personal purpose to write a letter for our friends, families, relative. Today we are going to discuss about compound words and clipped words. What is a compound word and what is a clipped words? Compound words means two or more words joined together to create a new words and it have entirely new meaning. For example, sun is a one word. Flower is a one word. It converted to sunflower. காம்பவுண்ட் வேர்ட்ஸ்னா என்னன்னா ஒரு வேர்டு அப்படி இல்லைன்னா மோர் வேர்ட்ஸை ஜாயின் பண்ணி ஒரு நியூ வேர்ட் கொண்டு வர்றதா என்னது காம்பவுண்ட் வேர்ட்ஸ். இன்னொரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்தோன்னா ஜெல்லி இஸ் அ ஒன் வேர்ட், ஃபிஷ் இஸ் அ அனதர் வேர்ட். ஜெல்லி பிளஸ் ஃபிஷ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஜெல்லி ஃபிஷ். இட் கிவ்ஸ் அ நியூ வேர்ட். See here some activities is given. For example, words basket, fish, table, dragon, tennis, cream, ice, ball, fry, fly. Here we want to connect the words basket, ball, basketball. Basket plus ball is converted into basketball. Cream plus ice, ice cream. And then here table, table, and then find the answer tennis, table, tennis. And then fry, and then fish. We say fish plus fry is converted into fish fry. Another dragon fly. Dragon plus fly is converted into dragonfly. So this is the compound word. Compound words means two or more words joined together and give a new word and give a new meaning. Compound word na என்னன்னா ஒரு வேர்டு அப்படி இல்லைன்னா இன்னொரு வேர்டை ஜாயின் பண்ணி ஒரு நியூ வேர்டை கிரியேட் பண்ணுறது என்னது காம்பவுண்ட் வேர்ட். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் பேஸ்கெட் பால், ஐஸ்கிரீம், ஃபிஷ் ஃப்ரை, டேபிள் டென்னிஸ். வேற என்ன சொல்லலாம் நம்ம? ஆர்ம் சேர். ஆர்ம் பிளஸ் சேர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஆர்ம் சேர். See the next part. Clipped words. What is a clipped word? It is shortened by common usage. நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ற வேர்ட்ஸை நம்ம ஷார்டன் பண்ணி சொல்றதா என்னது clipped words. For example, advertisement we said as ad. Examination is a full word and then we said is exam. Influenza we told flu. So like this clipped words. Clipped words na என்னன்னா ஒரு இப்ப கொடுத்திருக்க வேர்டை நம்ம ஷார்ட் டவுன் பண்ணி சொல்றதா என்னது clipped words. See the example for clipped words. Omnibus we called as bus. Microphone we called as mic. Telephone we say phone. Example we say EG. EG is called also example. Likewise we told this the clipped word. திருப்பி மிஸ் clipped words na என்னன்னு சொல்றேன் கவனிச்சுக்கோ. clipped words na என்னன்னா ஒரு வேர்டை நம்ம ஷார்ட் டவுன் பண்ணி சொல்றதா என்னது clipped words. See the students activity 1. See the table. Here is these are the words. We want to connect the words and give a 10 compound words. For example, race plus car is equal to race car. And then second one, tooth plus brush. Tooth plus brush is equal to toothbrush. with this help of box word, we want to find a new compound words. We want to identify 10 compound words. See the students activity 2. Here we are going to discuss about clipped words. What is a clipped word? To shorten the sentence, that's a clipped word. For example, here is a word is the gymnasium. The gymnasium is converted into gym. And then spectacles. Spectacle is converted into specs. And then microphone is converted into phone. Clipped words na என்னன்னா ஒரு வேர்டை ஷார்ட் பண்ணி சொல்றதா என்னது clipped words. Yes. See the assessment. Match the following words. Make a new compound words and write in the box. Ear ring. Earring. Foot. Foothill. Headlight. Shoemaker. Water proof. For a question, ear ring. And then foot hill. Head light. And then shoemaker. Waterproof. See the second Roman. Write the compound words from the picture. What is the first picture? Is a basket. Next picture, ball. Basket plus ball is converted into basketball. Butter plus fly. Butterfly is converted into butterfly. Like this, you want to write the third one and then fourth one. See, match the following main words with these clipped words. A question is refrigerated. Refrigerated means clipped words நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். What is the refrigerated short form? Is the fridge. Photograph, photo. Like this, you want to identify third one, fourth one, and then fifth one. See, fourth Roman, filling the blanks with correct clipped words. My school has a big dash laboratory. Laboratoryக்கு நம்ம short form என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Lab சொல்லுவோம். And then he has a dash motorbike. We usually said for 2 weeks as a bike. I had my dash lunch on. Lunch. When I was practicing a dance, the dash telephone rang. You want to find the answer. What is the clipped word? Ravi likes to watch dash in TV. Here the word is advertisement. You want to clip the word. Fifth Roman, look at the picture and write the clipped words. What is the first picture? It's a bicycle. For the clip word, cycle. What is the second picture? It's a auto rickshaw. Clipped words for auto. What the third picture? You want to write the answer. I hope you all understand the today topic. With this, I wind up my class. Be safe, wear mask, stay home. Thank you guys.